Namaskar Guruji. As we know today, like how mental health has become a big issue in India. So Guruji, is mental health and disease, is mental health a stigma? What is it?
See, you say it, mental health. It's a journey, it's not a disease. How the journey is related to a disease or a stigma is more important. You know, people are having depressions, people are dying out of suicide. What is happening? Why people change or leave? When we sleep in the night, what we think? We are dead. Okay, in the morning again we see our life. So what I say, depression is not a disease or a social stigma. We see three characters of depressions. One kind of depression is psychological, one kind of depression is sociological, and one kind of depression is biological. Today we fear because of sociological. The environment is not suiting us. You go back to the past, you will never find any suicidal cases. You will never find any depressions. It's all because of, as you said, it's a stigma related to sociological problems. People expect a lot. People think a lot. People want to become rich. That's the cause of depression. Depression is how you change your mind to your own situation, own life, and how you can lead others. That is called balance of life. I'll give an example. One lady was not having a baby, not pregnant. You know, there is a depression. Why I'm not getting a child? But why that happened? Because how you receive your psychological atmosphere, how you live. I say live means how you live with love and care. It's more important. There will be no fear if there is love, if there is compassion, if there is care. But today we do not understand what is love, what is compassion, and what is care. Okay, you must be thinking about the current situation, what is happening. Every patient is treated as a criminal. They are taken like that and they are treated like that. That's the fear. That's the environment. And we talk of the disease. People spread it in the environment and we get fear. Fear is depression. But never take fear into your body and mind. Always think that love is important in my life. Nothing more than that. Love all, serve all, heart ever, help ever. Okay, try to help others to see that they are not hurt. Try to see others as your friend, as your guide, as your mentor. Why do you fear? Fear is the only cause of your depression. Fear is only cause of social stigma. And fear spreads in the environment. So never fear. Always think that as you go to bed and come out the next morning, you have life. Think that way, that your life is permanent. The disease is not permanent. Disease comes and goes. The more you depend upon medicines, you get diseases.
So Guruji, like right now many people get confused between depression and sadness.
See, depression is the cause of sadness. Depression is the cause of sadness. How? Sadness comes when you are not thinking right or wrong. When you think right or wrong, and you decide your mind and body that I am right, depression goes out. The moment I think others, no, that fellow is rich, why I can't be rich? Depression comes. As I said earlier. So depression is, again I am telling you, it's not a disease. It is not sadness. You are making your mind sad for something you want to achieve, which you are not able to achieve. But you can achieve anything you wish out of your about the angel's life. You say everybody is angel's life. You get angels with the spirit which makes you to reach height. But the moment you start thinking you can't reach height. Yes, you want to tell me something.
So, are there any ways in which we can cure or avoid depression?
See, people talk about yoga, people talk about meditation, people talk about, exercises. What is this? Do you think that by doing this you will cure your depression or sadness? No. Unless your mind thinks about positivity. Your mind thinks about how I should lead my life, not others. Don't see others. The moment you see others, you will have depression in life. Everyone gets depression of life. Never see others. See yourself, work yourself, and lead your life yourself. See, your life is a golden opportunity. It's vast resource. It's a knowledge of kingdom. You receive every wise wisdom from your mind and body, not from others. So never follow others if you want to become a perfect human being. Always follow your mind, your body, and don't take anything into depressions, and don't fear at all. Whatever the circumstances come, don't fear. Fear is the cause of depression. Don't fear. Okay? That what every God man says about that. Have faith in yourself, my dear, and you will see there will be no depressions in you, in the surroundings, and anywhere in the earth. So be patient, don't bring anxiety into yourself, and live happily, make others happy, reach God happily. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji, for your wise words.